Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Instagram video selfie verification and not working issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that matter, there are some basic things you need to go through first, because unfortunately, even if these are basic, that can totally affect your selfie verification to not to work. So first thing first, check out your app's update. If your app needs an update and unfortunately you haven't updated it yet, then that could cause the issue. So open your app store or Play Store, go to search bar, type in Instagram. When you tap on it and check out whether your app needs an update or not. If it needs an update, you will find update right over here. Go ahead, tap on it, and simply go ahead, open your app and go through the selfie verification again. It should work out. If it is not, now go ahead, check out your internet connection. If you are in an area where your internet connection doesn't work well, or even cellular data is acting up, then that could also cause the verification issue. Because if you are in the middle of selfie verification and your internet connection is not good, it can cause disconnect over there. Check that out, and that should also help you out. Next thing, it still doesn't work. The first thing that you can do is simply long press on your Instagram app, uninstall and reinstall it, and re-sign in. That should help you out. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.